Everybody, okay, one more update here. I wasn't sure if we were gonna make it out, but we did. One tip. So normally you're not part of the blue tape walkthrough with Ryan Holmes. We have an awesome project manager, so we asked if we could do this, and he actually had us come when he was doing his blue tape walkthrough, and we have the entire, the whole house is basically blue. But this is really what to expect with the blue tape walkthrough. And I'm just recommending that you do this if you have the time and are able to get out there with a project manager. But it never hurts to ask. Our project manager has been great. So I highly recommend just having that open conversation and just be nice, really. They've been incredible, and I think part of that's because we've been really nice. But just give a quick walkthrough. It's not gonna be as long of a video today. This is the office. The floors are now exposed. You're gonna see lots of blue tape, like I said. There's now the stain on the stairs going up. It's more of a grayish hue as well. Not a huge fan of it, actually. It's a little too blue, but they're gonna try to fix that. Coming into our kitchen. See lighting fixtures. These are the upgraded light. I'm actually curious of your thoughts here. So we paid extra for these pendant lights as well as the bathroom lights I'm gonna show you. They look very different than what was on the brochure, and we found out that the brochure was actually incorrect. So just try to make sure you can see them before you purchase them. We were the first house that was actually offered this upgrade because they were starting a new, more contemporary community, and they had the option. So we ultimately had the option too. And we are replacing that. I know I talked about that in the last video. Okay. You can really see it is engineered hardwood for the floor. They originally said it was Armstrong, but I guess Bruce purchased Armstrong. So it's the same product, but it's Bruce, and I forget, I think it's called Timberline Gray is the color. Again, it's gonna probably be a little bit quicker of a video holding them up outside. But for the blue tape, like literally he said to go all out. If there's any type of imperfection from 3 to 4 feet away, to mark it down. It's probably very echoey as well. This is the first time we're seeing the French doors with the glass there from the office as well. See that light? that light fixture is not at all what we expected, but we're trying to make that right with Ryan Holmes. We're looking to see what options we have now because it is very different than what we were promised. Okay, run upstairs real quick. We are closing here in 2 weeks and 1 day. Can't wait. Some more blue tape. Carpet feels awesome. We got the upstairs carpeted because you could not actually have the option of hardwood on the second floor, or we would have done that. Laundry room here. It's very hot out today, but HVAC isn't hooked up yet. So they have dehumidifiers running in the basement and the first floor. Not too much in here. This person did a good job. with the humidity there, it seems like it is expanding some of the doorways. Well, just that one. If you have the option of the raised ceiling, definitely get it. It's awesome. Makes the room look so much bigger. They're putting in our frameless shower door here on Wednesday. And we'll go down to the basement quick. Actually, you know what? I forgot to check in here. The water closet. I'll have to come back. It's weird actually having lights now. Can actually see down here. Something you really haven't seen before is the mechanical room. Does come with a sump pump. We did get the humidifier for the winter months, so everything doesn't get dried out. See just all the blue everywhere. And this is going to basically be the server room. So all the Ethernet come in there. You can see there's a lot. I'm going to put my Ethernet back there, or mount there for the server rack. But that's it. Wanted to give you guys a quick blue tape update. This is what to expect. Be very, very thorough. And make sure you talk to your project manager. Have a good one. Bye.